Show us what you've done, Dave.
Just destroyed the place.
Just destroyed.
Just professional mess makers.
Joy's using the jackhammer. Did you get into the jackhammer today?
Oh yeah, we love jackhammer.
Yep.
Yeah.
So a bit of a video diary. What a day. I started off, got up early, a few phone calls. The epoxy guys have been in and done the floor. I think there must be still a couple of coats of clear to go over the top, but it looks amazing. Absolutely love the colour. And the builders are right into it. I got a shock when I seen the bathroom. Yeah, she's completely stripped. So the house is pretty much a shell right now. So we're right into it. Yeah, been over to Reese Plumbing. My God, didn't I get a shock when I seen the price of stuff. Not having a shot at Reese. I mean, the prices of everything are that everywhere. So I might have to do a bit of a budget. Have a look at my paperwork, my spreadsheet tonight, and work out just how I can make a few cuts. Yeah, so I've been able to get the builder in a lot quicker than I expected. Dave. So Carragher Homes, Dave from Carragher Homes, he's into it. So I'm loving it. Yeah. So far, touch wood, everything's going really well and way ahead of plan. So we'll see how long that stays that way. Things are going to turn to shit, I know. So yeah, okay, that's my little daily diary. Talk soon. Not fun?
It's definitely on a Friday,
Doing a good job. Where'd you find the dead body?
Yeah, we chopped him up, so we just need to
Find somewhere to...
down underneath the bathroom.
Under the bathroom, yeah.
Yeah.
Just wrap it up, put it back.
Yeah, that's it.
Sit down. Sorry, Ian.
Oh, what's the PowerPoint?
Oh.
Now hit from under it.
What's the
Demolition!
plan of attack? Straight into the side, down the bottom,
Yeah, just right in the guts of it.
right in the guts of it.
Yeah,
This is
hit
freaking
that,
heavy.
hit
This
that,
is a heavy sledgy, I've got to tell you. I bought my little one just in case.
yeah, hit the shitter
I
right
don't
in
know
the centre.
if I can freaking swing this one, it's bloody heavy.
You can, go girl.
Christ.
Come
All
on,
right.
you're on, go. Oh! One hit.
Look at that bowl. You know how many times I peed in that?
Have no idea.